with high honors to batch 2024-2025.
My respects are the Ramay Public Schools District Supervisor, Sir Gregorio P. Olivar, and to our very hard-working Central Principal, Sir Noli E. Garcia, to our confirming guest, Sir Juancho P. Azares, to the proud parents, to my fellow graduates, and to all who are here to witness this memorable occasion. A pleasant morning to all. Today, we are celebrating a memorable occasion. Not only memorable, but also an unforgettable event, which is the graduation ceremony of Class 2025 with the theme of Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. This occasion is the end of a chapter and the beginning of a new one. First of all, I would like to thank the presence of all visitors, to our loving parents that provides us financial and moral support. I would also like to thank our teachers that serves as our light throughout our journey. And of course, my classmates and friends who are parts of my ups and downs in my studies. And for the laughter you've shared to me to become motivated. And most of all, to our Almighty God for the source of wisdom. We faced challenges, overcame obstacles, and persevered through tough times. But through it all, we grew stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Our journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Honored guests and dear parents, on behalf of the graduating class 2025, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all to witness this year's graduation ceremony. Classmates and fellow graduating pupils, congratulations, for we are about to march with our loved ones to get the fruit of hard work, determination, and sacrifices. Good luck for the next chapter of our education. Once again, welcome and a pleasant